Are you ready? Let's go. Are you ready? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready?
Watermelon.
Game start.
Watermelon.
Hey. Let me see what's happening there.
Not disappoint you. Not disappoint you.
I am Jamal.
Hey! Come on. You can do it.
Try.
If you cannot, someone else will win. You don't need to kill yourself over it. Please don't kill yourself over it, Spanner. Please don't kill yourself over it. I think Ato is going to win this prize. I think Ato is. Hey! Some people is vomiting already. Don't get choked. Oh. Don't get choked. Don't get choked. Huh? Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you sure? Water too much, Abi? Yes, now that is the game. Water is too much. Water is too much. Water is too much. You can do it. My guy is going on. Chime is doing it though. Leave. No, not touch each other. Chime is actually doing well. Ato enter another place, oh. Ato enter another set, oh. Ato is winning on this one. Ato is definitely winning on this one. No need, there's no need. There's no two ways about it. Leave him. My brother, there's nothing you can do about it. Yeah, but this is not fufu. This is not fufu. Or you can try. Come inside now. You can try. Come on. You can try. Who is winning? I think Ato is going to win on this. I think Ato is going to win on this.
Chime is digging his. Ato never dig his.
Yeah, that one we will see now. We will watch their fruit and see who actually ate it.
Now
well, we will check. We will definitely check. Oh, Chineke. Stop now. Stop holding anybody, please. Don't hold anybody.
I don't tire.
If you don't tire, give up. If you're tired, you can give up. If you're tired, you can give up. It's a very simple thing. Spanner, what did happen? Spanner. Spanner, what's happening?
Okay.
Come on. What did happen? I don't understand though.
My village people.
Please. Don't allow Ato to win you.
No disappoint me.
You have been disappointed.
Come on. Even if you eat with the seed is still giving protein. Seed is still good. It's not going to grow for your tummy. Seed is still not bad. It's not doing you anything. The seed is not doing you anything. Now you make yourself, you're going to lose. If you keep living on the seed, you're going to lose. Don't look at the seed. If you look at it, you're going to lose. Come on. Chime, come on. You can do it. Spanner, you never enter one, oh. Oh my God. You never enter one. Ato is actually gaining. Ato is gaining. And Ato is winning. Chime is pushing Ato. Come on.
I don't want to.
What's happening? Come on. This is called watermelon. It needs to be watered.
They don't melon my belly.
Who is winning?
Ato.
Who is winning?
Ato.
Ato is winning, right? Ato is winning.
In the army, make it win.
Timmy, are you giving up? Are you giving up already? Are you giving up?
Are you giving down?
Come on, Timmy, you can still do it. Let me see who is winning. Let me see. Ato Siab. Timmy is actually winning. What are you people saying? Ato Siab already. Siab. I see her. Chime, I think Chime is down already. Chime is winning. Chime is winning. That's the last one for Chime. You can take it out. This is last. You can take it out. This is last. Take it out. This is last, right? Subject. Yeah, something is there.
Where's the water for them?
No, something is still there.
On the ground.
Something is still there. Ato, something is still there, and that is yours. Ato, you still have something here. You still have something here. Yes.
This one is
Yes, you can do it. Yes, I think that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Okay, this is out. Come on. That's the last one. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Chime is winning. Chime is winning. Chime is winning. Come on. 5,000. Or should we do 10,000 naira? Should we do 10,000? Spanner is giving Spanner to Chime. Spanner is giving. Brother, I think here is the winner. Chime is the winner of this challenge. And I don't want to clap for him. Chime is the winner. Chime is the winner. Sit down. All right, guys. Thank you so much. We have one hefty watermelon, and Chime was the first person to at least dig the whole watermelon down.
And my brother.